In this video, I am going to be going over the different types of search for the Transcendent VMS 2.0. So if we go to Home, under Remote Playback, we have Remote Playback by time slice and by event. Record playback. Before we start, we want to do two options. First option is, do you want to do your playback as async or sync? Sync means that all your channels will play at the same time. Async means that you can select different days and different times for different cameras. I will do async to show this example. Another thing is this option here. If we select from, if we set it from storage server, it's not going to load. And the reason why is because what I'm basically trying to say is that I'm trying to grab information off of my PC. If my PC's hard drive, if I had programmed this software to record cameras or video onto its own hard drive or an external hard drive, I will cover this on a later video, this would work. So you need to go ahead and select this option, which is from network device. So now I'm able to either grab a single camera or grab the entire group. So async is I can play this one camera at this time, this camera at this time, and so on and so forth. I could play cameras at different times. I could also play cameras at different days. So let's say I wanted to stop this video and go to the 20th and select camera 1. So now as you can see, this says the 20th while the other ones say the 22nd. So this is how you would do this type of search. Let me back out of this. I do want to close them. So now we're going to go to the other option, which is by time slice. So again, you'll go to Home and select by time slice. So before you start, you have to make sure that you have this set to the network device, because if you try to do from storage, if you are not recording on your PC's hard drive or an external drive on the PC, it's not going to load. So we select that we want from the network device. We select the date. You can select a year, month, and day. I'm just going to do a couple of days because I know that I'm only limited to a couple of days. So I want to start on the 23rd and I want to end on the 25th. I want to grab this one camera here and search. So now it's going to show me different types of days. So now let's say that something happened on the 25th that I want to see. So I double click on the 25th and now it's going to start displaying by hour. So once I see something different, I'm going to go ahead and select this option right here. And now it slices it per 5 minutes. So let me see. Let's say I want to see when this FedEx truck drove by. So I select this option right here. Oh, I'm actually going to go back to the 15th because by the 20, well, no, I'll play. So you play here on this option and start playing, but it already passed. So let me go back to this. I'm just skipping a little. And, oh, there he is. So it looks like he made his delivery about 11:18. So this is how you would search by time. So let me close this up now. Again, go to Home and select by event this time. So I already did this. So again, make sure that you have selected from your network device. Select the camera, click search, and it's going to start showing you all the different times that it had search or an event or motion in this case. I could click playback. It shows me a playback that it's seen. And I could also back up from this option, but I will go through this in another time. So again, there are several ways of doing a search on this VMS. Record playback by slice time or by event.